Good morning, you guys. It's Monday, and I have my first order of the day. It's 11 o'clock right now, yeah, 11 o'clock. I came around 10 something, so I just now received my first one. $14. Sorry, $14 going for Myers, and I'm only going to shop for. It's alright. I'm only going to shop for 4 items. So let's go shop for these 4 items. All done, all done. Let's go at checkout. Delivered. Let's go back. Now I received another shopping order. It was $15 for it's going 1.8 miles, and I only had shopped this item, 6 items. So now let's go at checkout. Delivered. Let's knock. They said to knock on the door. Let's go. Oh, guess what? It's 12:31 right now. 12:31, and I just received the shopping order. Shopping for 2 customers. One of them has 18 items, and the other one has 14 items. And they are paying me $30. They are paying me $30, you guys. So why not? Let's go in and shop for this order, y'all. Alright, I am done shopping, you guys. This is for A and that's for B. So let's put in our car. Yo, they gave me $28 for 13 miles, 3 customer drop off. So right now I'm on my way going to deliver my last drop off, y'all. And before this order, you guys, they gave me $30. $30, it was 16 miles for 3 drop off. I already done with that order. So let's go deliver this last order. All right, I'm here. Let me give my wagon so I can just take with the one trip. Right, delivered. Let's go back. Yo, it's 4:40 right now. 4:40, and this just came from nowhere, y'all. I swear. So I'm about to park and wait for 30 minutes. If it keeps raining, then I'm gonna go home. But I don't think this rain is gonna take long. And yo, it stopped raining. It stopped raining, you guys. And guess what? I'm going to deliver an order, you guys. $20, and it was for 3 drop off. Right now I still have 2 drop off to drop. So let's go to my second drop off, and right now it's 5:17, y'all. 5:17. So I only have like 2 more hours to work. And yeah. Alright, I need to check the ID. Alright, let's take a let's drop off. Yo, I just received another order. Right now it's 5:40, y'all. 5:40, and I just received $20 for 10 miles, and it's 2 customers shopping, you guys. And guess what? The best part is each customer I'm only buying 2 items, yeah. 2 items. That's the best part of this order, y'all. So in total I have 4 items. So let's go, y'all. Let me pick my first item over here. This way. I'm done, you guys. This is for the first customer, and this is for the second customer. Only that one and this one. I told ya. Best order, y'all. This was the easiest. So right now let's go at checkout and go deliver it. Alright, you guys. I'm at the first customer's house. Let's take this thing down, and it took us 10 minutes. 10 good minutes to get to this place. Okay. took us 12 minutes to get here. So let's go back, yeah. Yo, I just received another offer, you guys. I think it's going to be my last one. Right now it's 6:34, you guys. 6:34, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 18 items, and they paid me $21, you guys, and it's going 6.8 miles. Yes, this is going to be my last one. Let's go in and shop, y'all. Yeah, delivered. Yo, it's 7:10 right now. 7:10. And guess what? I am going home, y'all. I am going home, and guess how much money we made? 187. 187, y'all. I'm super happy about it. I'm super happy because I started so late. I think I started at 11 today, and right now it's 7. So 187, y'all. I am going home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.